You hear that? Let's do that again. So I'm watching a video of a dog I watched last week. Listen. What's that, Miss April? Dog's got a squirrel. What's that? She got up from sleeping. You don't want to give up the squirrel either, Miss April. Listen. Come on over here, sweetheart. You want to watch? You can watch the video with me. Come on. Come on over here, prettiness. Come on. Come on, look. That spot is just for you. Come on. That spot is for you. I put that there just for you. Because you have to be careful jumping up that high. Do you understand, little girlies? I love yous. Can't hurt those cute little legs. Oh, this is a video of you. Hello, Miss April. On the computers. Hi. See, where'd that squeaky toy go? I don't have no squeaky toy here. Max thinks they're babies, and he gets very upset with the squeaky toys. The only reason they're not here. Oh. Huh. All right, that's good enough. She's like, I don't hear the toy no more. All right, Miss April.